Now we're going to check in with HGTV's Bryan Bauemler.
What advice do you have for a family beginning a major renovation?
The best advice I could give to a family that's about to embark on a major renovation is to prepare yourself for what you're about to experience. Most people assume that renovating or building will happen faster, will be much easier, will cost much less than it does in reality. So sit down and have some serious discussions with each other and make sure that you manage your expectations as far as what you'll be doing. Renovating causes a lot of stress on a relationship, on a spouse, on a partner, on children. There's so many decisions that have to be made so quickly. And that is a situation where stress can certainly take over. So make sure you take time to stop and enjoy the journey.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.